Welcome again. In this video we are going to install the Laravel Breeze. Is the easiest way to create authentication with Laravel. So first thing, we need to open the Docker. Okay, after VS Code, so open the VS Code. Here we are in our application. Open the Chrome or run the sail command, sail app-d to run the sail app in the background. Okay, so navigate to localhost. Here we are in our application. No. So first thing, we need to navigate to Laravel documentation. Okay, documentation. Inside we have the Breeze inside the package. Okay, we need to copy this one and add it here. Hit the enter. I have done this. So after this, you need to run the PHP artisan Breeze install, or if you have it installed with the Docker, you need the sail and artisan Breeze install. After this, you have to run the npm install and npm run dev. With sail, you need to run sail npm install and this one, and sail npm run dev. So after you run this and after you have finished, we see we have the inside the view we have the auth, and we have confirm password, blade, we have a forgot password, login page, register page, reset password page, verify email page. If we navigate the register page, here we are. We have the nice form with the logo. This is designed with Tailwind CSS. If you know about Tailwind, here are some components created with Tailwind. List, forms. Here are some forms. Sign in and registration form. Okay, here is sign in. That is the example. So we need to open the table plus. Okay, test. We have the users, and we are creating a new user. So name is test, email test.test.com, password 1 to 9, Okay, we are registered now. We are inside the dashboard. You are logging in, so I'm showing you here. If we refresh, we have the user with name or test, email test, the test, and email verified is null because we are not verified. Password is hashing, so okay. So inside this, we have this register blade. Is designed with a Tailwind CSS, what I said, and that x.guest is the Laravel component. So we have here inside the views directory, we have components directory, and here we have Guest layout. Guest layout is here. Inside the layout we have the Guest one, and we have the app one and navigation one. App. Here we have the CSS link to the CSS app CSS with the Tailwind CSS and JS because we run inside the public CSS. We have this Tailwind CSS here installed with a Breeze package. Okay, so in the saved components we have auth register blade. We have auth card here. This is the auth card is the component with Tailwind CSS inside. You need to learn more about the component usually in the next videos, but just to show you, we have the form here with method post, and action is going to route register with CSRF token. This is for protection the form. So yes, we have the view, but we need, we need the controller to manage these views. So we have inside the controllers we have the auth directory, and we see here we have the authenticated session controller, verify email controller, register user controller. So we see here, boom, inside the create controller in the user we return the auth register. So we return inside the views auth register blade. You know that because in the video before here I told you about, and we store in the user. We have the validate function to validate the name. It's required, and string and max is 255. Email is email, max, and unique. I'm going to show you in the next video what these are. So here we are inside the dashboard. We have this menu, and this menu is navigation. We have this authentication, the format post to log out the user. So they hit the logout. Now we are not logging in. So if I go to dashboard, we are not in. We need to log in. We have test.test.com. The password is 1 to 9 and enter. We are going back to the dashboard. Okay, that's it for the Laravel Breeze. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.